Yeah? What are you doing over there? Huh? What are you doing?
Are you hanging out?
Huh?
Are you hanging out, little boy?
Why don't you say something?
Huh? Why say something? There you go. There you go, little boy.
Uh-oh. Uh-huh. Hold this. You need help? Whoa, let's get you back up. There you go. Hi, yo.
Hello, Alex, James, Wynn. What are you doing today? I'm good.
Let him talk. Move your hand. Really? Move back. Hi. Hold it. You're just climbing on the wall, huh? Hold it straight. Alright, let's go this side. Whoa. You're strong.
Hi, boy. Little boy. Yeah. What are you doing today? You're just like strong, huh?
Hi, Alex.